Hello everybody and welcome back to part 3 of creating a Discord bot using discord.py. So let's just get started into creating this. So here in the last video we created the kick and ban command. So obviously we also created the clear command. So we do clear 1, 2, 3, 4. So clear 5. As you can see, it should delete all of it, and it does. So really cool. And this is what we have done so far. So in this right now, actually, we're going to be creating basically an unban command. So after you ban, if you want to unban them, you need to go over here, server settings, bans, and then you need to like unban it from here, right? Also, in the audit log, I'm actually just going to disable streamer mode, and then just, as you can see, so here, not actually there, sorry, kicked, here we go. So as you can see, it just says kicked, and this is basically where you can see like where you can actually like see what's like going on in your server, like what people are doing what, like all of that stuff. So now I'm going to turn streamer mode back on, so give me a second. So now I've enabled streamer mode again, and now here we're going to be creating the unban command. So as always, client.command async def unban. So if you're wondering what def means, it's just like defining a function. So it's a short form of definition. So unban, and then in here we'll do context that, and let's do member, member, like so. And then here we'll create a variable banned users is equal to await context dot guild, which is basically what Discord used to call servers, but in code we still do guild. Guild dot bans, and just do that. There we go. And now we will create two new variables, so member name and member discriminator is equal to so it just gave me a suggestion. I'm pretty sure that was tab 9. Oh yeah, it is tab 9. So here we're going to do split, and basically member discriminator, that is right here. So like the tag they have, so I'll just copy that for example, and then here this tag, right? So 9373 in my case. So that tag, that's basically the discriminator, so the number. And then we'll do split, and then we're gonna do that. There we go. It's actually not split, it's member.split, and there we go. And we will create a for loop for banned entry in banned users, banned entry actually. We will do ban entry is equal to banned, actually no, sorry, user is equal to ban entry dot user, like that. So that's what we want. And then we will do an if statement, which basically states user dot name and user dot discriminator. This actually just suggested me, so okay, didn't. Let's do dot actually. Discriminator, if they are equal to and it was member name and member discriminator, if they're equal to that, then we will do context dot guild dot unban, and then we will do user, and then we will do, actually this is await, and then down here we will do await, and we'll do context dot send, and then it's a string which says success, or let's just do unbanned user dot name, and then hashtag user dot discriminator, like so. And we haven't actually done that for the ban and kick command, so I'm actually just going to do that now. So just do await context dot send, like that, and then do banned, let's do banned member dot mention. So I'll just mention the member, and then we can just copy this line, paste it in the kick, and then do kicked member dot mention. There we go. And now it'll actually just give us a little message that it banned or unbanned, unbanned, or kicked a user. So that's just simply what it does. And even instead of this, I'm actually going to do user dot mention, like so. And then for the last piece of code, just do return, like so. So that's basically just what we want. Now I'm just going to put semicolons wherever I didn't do it, just to be consistent. There, and yeah, there we go. Save that, and close that. So Control C, run it again. Now let's just wait for it to say bot ready. So just wait for it, and come on, there we go, bot is ready. And then if I switch here to Discord bot test, so here I am just going to run this command. So ban at mention them, and do that, and that should say ban them, and there we go. And then just to be safe, I'm just going to check if they're actually banned. So bans, and there we go, one ban. Now we should be able to run unban, and then their name, so there. And then if I go to server settings, bans, okay, did that work? I don't think it actually did. So if we come back here, so okay, so it's giving us an error. So basically you don't do you don't tag them here, so you need to type in their username and then the discriminator. So just to show that it does work, I'm just going to do ban, boom, and then yep, they're banned. And right over here, server settings and bans, as you can see, one ban. And then now I'm actually just going to copy the command in, and then just paste it there, and that should unban them. And there we go. So it unbans them, and if I come here and then click on bans, as you can see, there are no bans. So that's exactly what we want. And then obviously we can just go ahead and clear all of these messages because we don't really need it anymore. So I'm just going to do clear 10, and okay, clear 2. Actually, you could just have run the clear command, and that would have deleted it. So that's it for the unban command, and now we're going to move on to the next thing. So now that's it for all of the commands, and now if you guys want to add more commands, you guys can actually do that. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to implement the bot status. So here basically what we're going to do is down here it'll just be like hello there, so or like whatever message you want. So that's basically what we're going to do. So right over here, first what you need to do is in onReady, here I'm just going to do await client dot change presence, like that, and then the status is going to be discord dot status dot, and you can do not disturb, idle, invisible, whatever you want. So I'm actually going to do idle, like so. And then next thing is going to be to do activity is equal to discord dot game, and then we're going to do moderating the server. And if we save that, then come back here. Also, by the way, that's a capital G, and then do that, and then just go ahead and stop this, and then just run it. And now let's just wait for it to say bot ready. So bot is ready, and then if we come back here, as you can see, it says moderating the server. So that's exactly what we want. And now, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.